Imagine a tiny seed, lighter than a raindrop, soaring on the wind or drifting across an ocean. Plants have mastered the art of travel without moving a muscle. Some seeds grow silky parachutes, riding air currents for miles. Others use waterproof shells to float across seas, reaching distant shores. This isn't luck, it's physics in action. Buoyant seeds use trapped air to stay afloat, while winged seeds spin and glide, slowing their fall. These journeys help plants conquer new lands, making sure life spreads far and wide, all thanks to the wonders of nature and physics.